What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks back with another Palantir update video, ticker symbol PLTR. So we'll take a look at how Palantir stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels that we have coming up, and based on that, what we think Palantir stock could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Palantir are, and I'd love to chat with you down there. So let me pull this up really quick and hit record. We will get right into it. So great day for Palantir overall. We are up $1.46, which is 6%. I know that, since I've made these videos, it's been a whole lot of red days, a whole lot of falling. We went from the 29s to the 22s. But good news is we're starting to move back up, which means a couple things. The first one being, this pattern that we were talking about stays into effect. So we'll take a look at that as well. But monster day for the market, up 2.5% on NASDAQ. Dow was up 229 points, which is 0.74%, and then S&P was up 1.5%. So if we take a look at Palantir, outperformed all of them and looked really, really nice. So let's take a look at, our daily chart and we'll see what we see, right? So yesterday we closed kind of below this 2362 level, and in the pre-market we pushed up, and it looked like a little bit of rejection happening near this 24 level that we had. So when we right out of the gate, we fell a little bit, bounced off of this 2362, right? Got 2367 bounce, pushed up, and then came right back down to VWAP, pushed up, came right back down. And if you see, we bounced off of, pretty much this 2408 level that we have once, twice, and 3 times before we start to really push up. And this push up was really nice. It was something we needed. Made a high of 2519, came right back down to VWAP, test, go up, and closed really strong. That's something that I really like seeing. We've seen fake outs like this where it would go up but then just kind of fade, and we'd be pretty much flat or barely green for the day. So the fact that we were able to come test VWAP and push up into close was something I really like seeing. I actually took on a Palantir leap. I know I was talking to one of you guys down in the comment section yesterday about leaps, and I took one on myself. So we'll kind of see how it goes. Hoping for Palantir to go up, but also buying myself some time and hoping it does that. So let's take a look at this pattern that I was just mentioning to you guys. So this top line coming in, this bottom line coming up. Now, if you guys have seen my videos for a while, you know that this line used to be right there, then it was there, then it was there. But so far it looks to be holding up, which is something that I really like seeing. So if this pattern continues and we can stay above this line right here, then what I could see is a little bit of a push up, like I said yesterday, right? 2 things can happen. We can either kind of stay slowly moving up and then get to the end of this channel and then push up, or we go up like we are right now, and then when this line starts to come down just a little bit, what we'll see is we'll kind of hit this line, bounce down, and then consolidate, and then boom, break out at the end, right? Either way, hopefully it keeps this pattern going, and hopefully we see a little bit of a breakout. We did go up a decent amount in the past couple of days, so if we see a pullback, it's fine as long as we stay above this bottom line over here, right? Which is kind of the 23s. So what do we have coming up in terms of support and resistance? Well, first things first that I really want to mention is we are now above the 8 and the 21 EMA, barely. The 8 EMA is at $24.76. The 21 EMA is at $24.96, right? So that's great news. We're at $25 right now, so we're barely above those. So if we see a pullback, I'd like to see the 8 EMA hold at $24.76, but due to how close we are, we could see more of a sell-off, and at that point I'm once again watching this 2408 level to hold. If that doesn't hold, then I'm watching this 23 kind of 60s level to hold, like we saw today, right? Both of those levels we were able to validate today. That's on the downside. So 8 EMA 2476, but if we see an actual pullback, then more towards the 2371. But the key thing I want to focus on is we stay above this line, which for tomorrow would be near kind of the low 23s, right? We need to stay above this for our pattern to be valid and for us to see hopefully a pennant breaking out at the end of all this. On the upside, what we have next is the 2539 level that we weren't able to make a go at today. And then after that, I'm watching kind of these highs we set over here in the mid 20, in the high 25, low 26s. So 2539, kind of the 26, let's just call it, and then 26.82, and then we can push up from there. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of Palantir, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.